In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in ClickUp. If you're organizing complex work, subtasks are a great way to break a larger task into clearly defined pieces without losing the connection to the main goal. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn an existing task into a subtask under another task and how to confirm it's in the right place. I'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along in real time. First, log into your ClickUp account. When your workspace loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where you'll find your spaces and the hierarchy for your work. Head over to your Spaces panel and navigate into the space that contains the work you want to update. From there, open the area where your tasks are organized into a list. If you use multiple views, make sure you're in the list view so you can see your tasks in a straightforward, vertical layout that makes it easy to scan and take action. Inside the list, you'll see your tasks laid out, often grouped by status like To Do, In Progress, or Complete. This is the central place where all tasks in that list live. For this demonstration, I'll open a sample list. Imagine something like financial management, but you can use any list that holds the task you want to convert. You should now be looking at the To Do group, along with any other groups you normally use. Don't click into a task just yet. We'll use a quicker method to convert it without opening the task window. Instead of opening a task, hover your mouse over the task you want to convert into a subtask. Move your cursor all the way to the far right of that row. You'll see a set of 3 vertical dots, often found next to fields like priority. Those 3 dots are the task's options menu. Click the 3 dots, and a menu will appear with actions you can take on that task. This menu gives you quick access to a lot of powerful features without disrupting your view or losing your place in the list. In that menu, look for the Convert to option. This is where ClickUp lets you change the type or level of a task. Select Convert to, and then choose Subtask. When you do this, ClickUp will prompt you to choose which task will become the parent. Think of the parent as the main umbrella task that the subtask will belong to. Select the parent task you want to use. Something like Financial Summary is a good example if you're organizing financial work. Choosing the right parent keeps your work tidy and ensures the subtask is directly connected to the task it supports. Once you pick the parent task, confirm the selection. ClickUp will handle the conversion quickly, and your original task will now live underneath the parent as a subtask. You'll usually see a brief confirmation or a window that shows the new relationship. At this point, close the confirmation window to return to your list view. You're now back where you started, but your task has been moved under its new parent. To see it in context, look for the parent task or use your grouping and sorting controls to make the structure easy to spot. Near the top of the list, check the grouping control and set it to status if you want a familiar view. Grouping by status helps you see where your new subtask falls in your workflow without changing any details. If your list is already grouped by status, simply expand the relevant sections and look for the parent task. Expand the parent task's subtasks to confirm that your newly converted subtask appears there. That's it. Your subtask has been officially created and is now neatly organized as part of a larger body of work.